Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move.
The battle between CORD and Jubilee will be heading to the Senate next week after it was called for a special sitting to be held on Wednesday morning. The top agenda, and perhaps the most controversial, is to pass amendments to the election laws that originated from the National Assembly 2 days ago amid contention from the opposition CORD. The Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, however, says the Senate should not debate the matter and that there should be dialogue to bring an end to the dispute between the two coalitions.
If there were issues with these election laws, and granted there might have been issues that needed to be thrashed out, I think the best approach is not to really shove it down the throats of your opponent. There was a formula that was working, there was the Joint Select Parliamentary Committee, and we're really recommending that that should be the route, really.
Interestingly, the co-chairs who led the Joint Select Committee that came up with the initial bipartisan amendments to the election laws are both senators. Eyes will be on both Siaya Senator James Orengo and his Meru counterpart Kiraitu Murungi to see how the deliberations go. The amendments have to be passed by both houses to become law, hence the call on the Senate to reconsider debating them.
We hope that we'll actually learn from the past, because what has worked in this country is not hubris and grandstanding. What has worked in this country is dialogue.
The most contentious amendment passed on Thursday was the one allowing IEBC to have a complementary system to be used in the August elections should the integrated electronic system that has been decreed in the law fail. The current law says IEBC must use biometric voter registration, electronic voter identification and electronic results transmission in the next elections. With the amendment, however, CORD claims that Jubilee wants to allow the use of a manual voter identification system that it says could lead to rigging. Andrew Ochieng, NTV.